Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much for joining. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for being with me all through. And if you just stumbled on this video, please do well to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and also share. Thank you. So I'm a YouTuber and a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. Today's video is on this client of mine who is celebrating her naming babies. Well, we like call it a celebration. Well, it was a celebration of her naming ceremony, her baby's naming ceremony. She just put to birth. Congratulations, ma'am. Okay, so if you notice in this video, you can see that her face is lighter than her neck. You know what pregnancy does to some women. Her neck was actually very dark. So I had to, match the foundation to her body tone, because if I match it to her neck, she will look too dark. And naturally, she's even fairer than this, actually, because I've done makeup on her before. She's actually a very fair person. But eventually, I think towards the end, because I had to use powder to tone it down a bit, so it's blended a bit with her neck, but it's more of her body shade than her neck shade, rather. So, what are we going to talk about today? As you can see, I'm just applying setting powder on her highlighted areas. Okay, so for some reason I kept getting Hebrews 11:6. But without faith, it is impossible to walk with God and please Him. For whoever comes near to God must necessarily believe that God exists and that He rewards those who earnestly and diligently seek Him. I guess this word is for someone. Probably you've been kind of down, thinking that things are not going on well the way you expect it to be. But I would just like you to know that God is a rewarder of those who diligently seek Him. As long as you seek the Lord, His promises to you would surely come to pass. It might take a while, but everything is a process. Just like I said earlier in this video, I said this lady, she just put to birth. And her neck, I used her neck as a reference. I don't know why this word just came to me. I used her neck as a reference. That her neck is quite darker than her body. Just like when God has put a vision in you, or you have a vision to do something, you begin to feel uncomfortable. Things begin to change around you. People might not see a visible difference, but you know that there's a visible difference. You begin to feel discomfort, like a pregnant woman. For some pregnancies, you feel, if you start craving things you ordinarily wouldn't crave. Yes, so that is how it is for humans. When there is a vision in you, when there's something you are pursuing, you begin to crave for things, and you're wondering, where is this craving coming from? Where is this this strength coming from to do what you are doing? So I just want to encourage you to hold on. When you conceive, when there's a vision in you, when there's something in you that you want to, you are trying to pursue, or you have a vision, that's what I would say. You need to surrender it to God. If God put that vision, you need to surrender it to God. If God put it in you, He will see to it that it comes to, the Bible says, the expectation of the righteous shall not be cut short. So whatever you are expecting, when you come to God, you come expectant. And definitely He will meet you at the point of your needs. God does not need your help in the birthing process. So He put it in you, so He would follow through. He's not a man that He should lie. Once He said it, He will do it. There's a process to everything, and at the end, your reward is sure. Your reward is sure. So don't get frustrated because nothing around you seems to change, or nothing is happening, or people are looking at you and saying, and this girl is serving God, or this guy is serving God, or what does she have for it? What does she have to show for it? You don't need to give birth prematurely. You don't want a premature promise, you want your promise to come to to be fulfilled, to be complete, to full term. Yes, full term, that's the word, full term. Everything, when you're in conceptual period, it is not a time to be seen or to be shown. When your pregnancy or your desire, your vision comes to full term, everything will work out for you. So just hold on to God, trust in Him, trust in the process, and He will reward you. He will reward you. If your expectation in life is tailored toward what God has promised you in His word, you will always have God's promises come to pass in your life. Your outcome in life will not just be according to your prayer, your faith, or your confession, but according to your expectation. So what are you expecting? What are you trusting God for? Hold on. He's a rewarder. So I think that's the end of this, my pep talk. Now, oh, I love this. She actually told me she wanted something very natural. So as natural as possible. So tell me what you like about this look. I hope you have subscribed. If you have gotten to this part of the video, I trust you have subscribed. Do well to hit the like button, comment. Thank you so much for watching. Ooh, don't you like the finished look? Ooh, she loved it though. She actually loved it. I think I should even attach a picture of her naming with her husband. Yes, I think I have one picture. I would attach it at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Gracias.